In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dripping text effect in Canva. This fun and creative effect can add a dynamic look to any text design, making it stand out with a unique and artistic appearance. So without further ado, let's dive into the steps and see how you can achieve this effect using Canva. First, you'll want to visit the Canva website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you already have a Canva account, simply click on the login button and continue with your preferred login method. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're using your Google account, so go ahead and select your Google account and proceed through the login steps. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Canva homepage. From here, you'll need to open the text project that you want to modify with the dripping effect. If you have a specific project in mind, locate it and click to open. Now with your project open, let's get creative. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see an option for elements. Click on it to bring up a search bar. In this search bar, type in drip graphics or similar keywords to explore the available drips. Canva offers a range of styles and designs, so take your time to choose one that fits your vision. After finding a drip design that catches your eye, select it. You'll now have the drip element on your design canvas. The next step is to adjust and connect this drip to your text. This involves moving and resizing the drip graphic to align perfectly with the text, creating the appearance that the text is melting or dripping. While adjusting, make sure to hide any visible seams between the text and the drip element to achieve a more seamless and natural look. This might require some fine-tuning with sizing and placement, so feel free to take your time until you're satisfied with the result. Once the initial connection looks good, you may want to apply the drip effect to multiple letters. To do this, highlight the drip element and click on the duplicate option. This will allow you to add the same drip design to other parts of your text. Arrange these duplicates over the desired letters, making further adjustments as necessary to maintain consistency across your design. As you continue to adjust, reposition, and resize, remember that this process is all about finding the best fit for your design while maintaining your creative style. And just like that, you're done. The dripping text effect can add a vibrant and unique touch to your project. Feel free to experiment with different drips, colors, and sizes until you achieve the desired look. With practice, you'll be able to create eye-catching designs that stand out and reflect your personal style. Enjoy experimenting and designing.